your local Weather Authority forecast.
Dust has settled from yesterday's strong wind gusts, but we're still going to be breezy today. We're dealing with clear skies and lower temperatures. This is a live look at Midland early on this Tuesday morning. We have a good look at downtown Midland of the Wilco building. Better visibility compared to yesterday's, again, blowing dust, and some of those winds were damaging yesterday. The dark skies right now indicating clear skies. We're still under night vision. We're seeing the black, white, and gray colors. Satellite and radar showing, again, much more in the way of better weather here in western Texas and southeast New Mexico. Thunderstorms exiting the Lone Star State and elongating into this very unstable storm system with more severe weather in Ohio River Valley and moving into the northeast. And speaking of those winds yesterday, not only did we have wind reports in the Trans-Pecos, but also in Midland and Odessa, non-thunderstorm wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour. Peak wind gusts at the airport in Midland, 64 miles per hour. We saw some of those wind reports and felt a lot of those strong winds blowing yesterday. Again, I warned you guys to bring in the furniture, and there were some reports of damaging wind gusts, unfortunately, and also some car pileups. But again, we're dealing with clear skies. Those wind particles moving from northwest to southeast, indicating still the breeze this morning, but not nearly as windy as compared to what we saw yesterday. The cool spot right now in the Basin, 45 in Marfa, and we're sneaky chilly in Midland as well. 47 now dropping to 49 in Big Spring as opposed to 53 within the past half an hour. And we're going to be warming up today. Only in the 50s in the Trans-Pecos, 60s and low 70s in the Rio Grande. Temperatures back below normal, more akin to winter-like temperatures. Clear skies, 47 officially the airport in Midland, and a bit drier compared to yesterday morning at this time. 52% relative humidity, a westerly breeze at 8 miles per hour. Not much in the way of any low-level moisture this morning, and much more stable weather in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Still a bit breezy in northern areas of the basin. Winds sustained from 10 to 15 miles per hour. In these yellow and orange colored areas in the Davis Mountains and Marfa indicate still the breeze out there, 21 mile per hour breeze. And we're going to see those winds pick back up from the northeast, sustained from 10 to 20 miles per hour, even more from time to time, as those northerly winds will combat the solar radiation. And I think those northerly winds will win out, meaning lower temperatures compared to normal. In the 40s to start. Make sure you guys have the light jackets, but warming up with some clouds by noon in the 50s, and by the afternoon reaching the low to mid 60s. Blustery, meaning cool, dry, and breezy. Make sure you guys have the sunglasses. Again, there will be some clouds from time to time, but enough sunshine. We'll warm up in the 60s. Clear skies overnight, dropping back in the 40s. Winds from the north-northeast from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not much in the way of any precipitation today, but there will be some instability in the mountains with scattered showers. Just some leftover clouds passing through from time to time. Clear skies tonight into tomorrow morning. And we'll see ample sunshine, cloud-free skies tomorrow. We'll warm up in the 70s later tomorrow, but starting off in the upper 30s, lower 40s. So getting a taste of winter for the next 24 to 36 hours, but warmer later this week. And as we head after the weekend, some clouds for the eclipse on Monday.